It's been only a little over a year since Hurricane Harvey devastated Texas. As we enter the season of Thanksgiving, let's visit a local organization thankful for the help they received in the aftermath.
When Hurricane Harvey hit the Houston area, this particular club in Stafford was ravaged by 3 feet of water. It was demolished where we lost almost everything. We were taking out moldy pool tables. We were taking out balls with mold on them. It was a lake inside the building. And we had to shut down. We were able to reopen about 2 weeks after Stafford MSD resumed. And we brought the kids in, but there was nothing tangible for them to play with. It was just a structure. Thanks to our local community helping pitch in, we started receiving donations slowly, such as some balls, some board games, some books for them to read. Eventually, the Houston Astros and Major League Baseball found out what happened to us, and they chipped in and they donated money to rebuild our Houston Astros game room. It was the greatest thing ever. We had up-to-date gaming systems. We have a beautiful Houston Astros pool table. We have foosball tables. It has Astros logos everywhere. So during the rebuilding process, Samsung reached out to the Boys and Girls Club of Houston, and they wanted to do something for the clubs affected by Harvey. So they decided they wanted to donate to us and create a tech center, state of the art, all Samsung related. So we now are proud owners of 20 Samsung Tab A's, 10 Samsung laptops, 3 Samsung 55-inch TVs, and an 85-inch TV that are all totally interactive with each other. So one of the great advantages of having this tech center now is children are able to go in, go online, do homework as needed. We actually record our basketball team playing, and they would come back and watch it on the TV through the tablet. Something totally new to me. I feel like we're an NBA team now.
And speaking of basketball,
thanks to Fort Bend County Commissioner Grady's office, we were fortunate enough to have a new basketball facility built for us. It is a state-of-the-art gym, full court, beautiful, shiny, new, and the coolest part about it is it lets us take even more children in from the community. The new gym allows us to have more play space, not just for basketball, but soccer. For the little kids, they love to play silly games such as cat and mouse, where they run around the gym trying to tag each other before they tag their teammate. If you have a child between the age of 6 and 17 and you would like to get them involved here at the Boys and Girls Club in Stafford, they're more than welcome to call 832-471-2588, and we're always taking them in.
for Stafford CSI, this is Randall Williams.